Hey guys, during rest, went to the flea market yesterday. Got quite a bit of stuff, a lot of small stuff. I got some tools, some pocket knives, and some collectibles. So let me show you what I got. Alright, this pile right here, all this together, I bought for $20. It was all in a little red box, and I took it up to the guy and got a pretty good deal. So, first of all, we have this. This is a KStar Box Wrench right here, kind of a ratcheting type wrench. I also got another one similar to that. It's kind of a Chinese brand. You could change the direction of the ratchet through here, through this, clicking this. These are all Craftsman's right here, and it's a good brand, and I try to collect those and put them in a group, and I'll probably sell them on eBay. I might wait to collect maybe just a couple more of these. Oh, I do want to mention, let's see, I have another one here somewhere. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. So when you get Craftsman's wrenches and stuff, they have codes on them. So just like pocket knives and stuff, you can, read the codes. This one right here on here has a C1 present, and this puts this back, what is it, in like to the 1930s, between the 1930s, 1940s somewhere, where these are way newer, probably like 90s to 2000. So this one's gonna be more valuable and more collectible. And the reason why I got the pile in the first place is I saw this micrometer in there, and I knew if I paid 20 bucks for it, I got my money in this micrometer. This is a Mitsu Toyo micrometer, made in Japan. And I got these variety of extension bars in there. And I think I could sell those on eBay for probably at least 20 bucks. There's some Craftsman and some mixed. So we'll see. I got all these mini wrenches. There's a set of Dunlops in here. But I'll sell those as a lot. I'm not quite sure what I'll get for these. I still got to figure out what they're worth. I mean, maybe 12 bucks. And these measuring tools were in there. This is a Stanley Caliper, which is really cool. I'll probably keep that. Not only does it look cool, it'll be useful. This is for a guard for a vise, an old vise. They usually come in twos, but this is for a vintage vise. It's Wilton, Chicago, USA. It has like a code stamp here. I found some like these, and a pair of them went for, I think it was like $48. So that was actually a nice get right there. A nice surprise. And this one I'm not that familiar with. I think they call it a depth angle gauge. This is Miller's Falls. Probably collectible. I've never used one of these before, but it's got the angles right here on the back. This little dial here. And some cool smaller rulers. These rulers here are made by General. The company is named General. Good little steel rulers. I probably will keep these because they come in handy. And then we have this little, I think it's called a spoke shave. And what else? Okay, that was it. Oh, and this one. This wrench right here by the Right Company. All right, let's go to the knives. This is an Anvil Knife. It's a serpentine jack, 2-blade. It's a cool little knife. $6. And this one here, little Stockman. The Tang Stamp was pretty hard to read. I'm going to try to show you guys a close-up picture of it, but it's, I think it's, oh gosh, what is it? Germany. Something like German cutlery or something like that. I'll show a close-up picture here in a second. But still got a decent snap to it. But, you know, it's been used. Wood scales. Oh, and then I got this guy right here. A Jet Air Corp. I have a little pocket knife made by Jet Air Corp. And it's a quality little pocket knife. Made in Japan. This one says G96, number 7003. I looked, one of these sold for $70 on eBay, but you see right here, there was these extended out here, so that these little, I forgot what they're called, the oh shoot, anyway, I can't think of the terminology right now, but these were broken off right here. I don't know how much it's worth right now, but probably not anywhere near $70, but I'm glad to have it for the collection. It's kind of neat. And it came with this old beat up case. It doesn't belong to that. This sheath, let's see if I can read it, is a Remington sheath. All right, I got more stuff. Got a couple of tape measures. This one's a Klein tools. And Klein makes some pocket knives too, and other tools. And this one's a White Chief. I'm kind of starting to collect these, but I might sell them, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, this little, oh, these were the Klein, that was $1, this was $2. And, oh, not telling the prices. And this was $6. And I got this Plum combination wrench. And I'm sure some of you guys know the name Plum. They make axes and other tools, but Plum's a good quality name. And you're looking for Plum with a triangle emblem where just after the L. And those are more sought after. I'm always looking for the Plum logo here. Anyway, I'll show a close-up picture of that logo. And then I got, this is SK Tools socket. I'm always looking for these. I'm gonna get a group together of the sockets, and then I'll sell those once I get enough of them. And I got this emblem, Air Traffic Controller Association emblem. I don't know how much I can get for that. Well, I'll have to just throw out a number and see if it sticks. But somewhere over maybe $24 or something like that. Okay, these wire clippers. This is by Boker, and you guys know that Boker is a maker of knives as well. I thought those were pretty cool. These ones just had like a kind of a neat look to them. Forged steel, USA needle nose pliers, and wire cutters. This is a for paint buckets. You open the paint buckets with this. It's got a nail puller on it, and let's see, a roller cleaner. And I'm not sure what this part's for, but it's kind of neat, little vintage item, Montgomery Awards. Looks like a little useful tool that I'll probably keep. I don't know why I grabbed this battery terminal wrench here. Nothing too special about it. And this is a wrench for a Fiat car. And I have to look into these. I think it probably comes with a set. And I'll see if I can get a few more and then sell them as a group. And the last little thing is just this little bicycle, which came with that $20 lot that I got. And I think that's it, guys. So thank you for watching. Bye.